You are going to have to completely bleed your brake system after this job is completed. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool. The ABS pump is located under the front trim panel, red arrows. You do not need to remove all of the upper front trim panels to perform this work, but it sure helps give you more room. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks if needed. The ABS pump is attached to the master cylinder. Locate the brake fluid reservoir and remove the cap and strainer, red arrow. You will need to use a fluid pump and drain the reservoir. Brake fluid is fatal to your paint. Make sure you do not get any on you or your clothes and then contact the paint surface. Since you are going to completely bleed the system, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool, you can also open the bleed nipple on one of the calipers with a catch bottle attached and pump the brakes until the fluid is removed from both the reservoir and down into the master. We recommend you mark all of the lines connecting to the ABS pump for ease of installation. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench and remove the 4 lines out from the ABS pump to the hard mount on the chassis, red arrows. During installation, you will need to tighten this to 16 Nm or 12 foot-pounds. Use a 13mm flared nut wrench and remove the 1 line out from the ABS pump to the master cylinder, red arrow. Again, during installation, you will need to tighten this to 16 Nm or 12 foot-pounds. Use a 14mm flared nut wrench and remove the other line out from the ABS pump to the master cylinder, red arrow. Again, this will be torqued during installation to 16 Nm or 12 foot-pounds. Although the electric push-on connector is located next to the ABS pump, the best way to access it is located behind the front driver's side wheel well liner. We have removed the driver's side wheel for clarity. The trim panel itself is held together by a set of T20 and T27 torque screws, red arrows, along the inside of the wheel well and underside of the front bumper, not shown. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with removing the wheel well liner. With the wheel well liner removed, you can now access the electric push-on connector, red arrow. To release the connector, push the clip into the connector, blue arrow, and push up on the gray lever, red arrow. The ABS pump is held in by a friction fit on 3 rubber grommets in its mounting point, red arrows. Lift the pump straight up to remove it from the mount. Use care when removing not to spill any fluid that may still be in the pump. Installation is the reverse of removal. You will also need to code the new pump with your scan tool once installation is complete. You're going to have to completely bleed your brake system again, including activating the ABS pump with your scan tool to complete this job. Do not try and drive the vehicle without completely bleeding the system with your scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.